Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to download any video from any private Facebook group. With this tutorial, you won't get annoyed by those private Facebook groups anymore, and you will be able to download videos from them. This is very simple, so let's get on with it. Just go get the link from that certain video you want to download, and then go to Safari or any other website that you have in your phone. So usually, the video link will look like this. After facebook.com, there will be a slash and then the link. So if you paste the link here, just double click on Facebook and then remove that, and then type on MBASIC. So just tap on go, and if you search this link, it will take you to the same video, and once you're there, you will have the opportunity to download the video. It will appear with the three dots that shows with it, and once you tap on the three dots, the download option will show. Simple as that. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.